Hey, what's up guys? Let me show you what I've done. A new little add-on that I did. I changed the headlights. What I did with the headlights is I got that projector. Everybody, you could always see them for the oh god, like all the Jeeps, all the, what are they, CJ? Fucking CJ or something like that, Jeeps. It's these three are the actual main driving ones, and then the bigger one at the bottom is actually the high beam. I got those because I hated the factory headlamps. Like, they're just the stock round headlamps, which are terrible. The only thing to do them, to install them right, there's a lot of cutting that you have to do. First, you have to cut, perks of having the El Camino, you have to cut this black trim ring around where the actual bulb sits in. You have to cut all the back end piece. I'll show you. First I cut a little bit and it wasn't enough, so then I had to cut even more of it out to get it. And then once I cut that to open it up, then you also have to cut, there's a metal cup behind it also, and then of the metal cup, this is basically what I cut out here, was just going around that edge to get the actual light to slide inside. But once I slid it inside, it lights up nice, it's bright. I think right now I've got the high beam on, but it looks good. Nice little upgrade. Little, what is it, 70 bucks on Amazon. I didn't get the crazy expensive ones because screw that, but it looks good. Definitely worth the upgrade, just FYI.